Hey everybody, Davey here from At Home. It's just after Christmas. Everybody got themselves either the Ninja Foodi Air Fryer / pressure cooker or the Instapot. And the first thing they always want to try is French fries. I'm going to give you my recipe for golden, crispy, delicious French fries. So I'm sure everybody can agree there's nothing like some great French fries. These French fries I'm going to show you, they come out golden, they come out delicious, crispy, and soft in the middle. We've experimented with a bunch of different recipes for fries, and this is one we've been working on for quite some time. They turn out awesome. I hope you guys enjoy them as well. The key that I find when making French fries is you want to preheat your cooker. I'll preheat it at 400 degrees for about 5 minutes, and then you're really ready to go. So let's go ahead and do that now. Close that lid. We'll turn it on the air crisper, knock that up to 400, and we'll knock that down to 5 minutes. And we'll get the preheating to begin. From there, we'll start grabbing all of our accessories and we'll be ready to go. And while your cooker is preheating, you can go ahead and grab all of your accessories now. I like to use a spray canola oil. You can use olive oil or any other kind of oil that you like, I'm sure. Garlic salt to sprinkle on as they're cooking, as well as some tongs. I like a nice silicone tipped tong. That way you're not scratching the cooker at all. And then of course the key ingredient is going to be your French fries, right? So let me grab those. Frozen French fries, very easy to use. These are some Ore-Ida golden crinkles. As you can see, I'm down to about a quarter bag left. We don't need them a lot, but we'll go through some French fries in this household. These are the crinkle cut wrinkle fries. I'll show you one real quick. You can see that guy there, it's got the nice little crinkle cuts to them. You can use any kind of fries you like, from thin straw type fries to bigger potato wedges. But the crinkle cut fries are always fun. They do hold a lot of the flavoring, and they come out nice and crispy. And now we're getting down to it, just 5 seconds left there. And once that goes off, this thing is ready to go, so we'll go ahead and get started. And done, just that easy. We'll go ahead and turn that guy off. Now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and give it a quick spray of your canola oil or whatever oil you choose to use. Hit that on the bottom there. Go ahead and dump in your French fries, however many you like. Heck, I'm just going to polish off that bag. There's not a lot left there. Go ahead and hit them with your oil one more time. Give them a sprinkle of your garlic salt. Use your tongs to toss them around just a bit. Go ahead and close it up, and then you're ready to go. Now the first step I like to do here is we're gonna do 400 degrees for 9 minutes. So let's get that set up. Air crisp, 400 degrees, and we're gonna set that for 9 minutes. And we're off. So those guys are gonna get nice, and this is where you're gonna get your first set of golden brown and really get everything cooked. So 9 minutes, 400 degrees for the first round, and then when we're done, we're gonna open it up. We're gonna use our tongs, we're gonna toss them around, hit them with oil just a little bit more, and a little bit more garlic salt. Depends how garlicky or salty you like everything. Toss them around, we're gonna close it, and then we're gonna cook it for 8 minutes, the second set. 400 degrees for 8 minutes, then we're done. French fries are ready to go. Now while your fries are cooking, you're gonna have a good opportunity to make any kind of fry dips or get anything else that you wanna have with your fries ready. I'm gonna give you a quick recipe on a buffalo wing style dip that I like to make for my fries. First thing you're gonna need, just a couple of scoops of mayonnaise. Very simple. Best Foods is what I'm using here. And then some Frank's Red Hot wing sauce here, buffalo style sauce. I'm just gonna take that. We're gonna add a couple of drops, not very much, right into the sauce. You can see it there. Give that a little mix. And now you got yourself a buffalo dipping sauce for your French fries. Pretty darn yummy. So we're just about halfway through the process here. We did 9 minutes at 400 degrees in the air crisp, and that'll get you the whole cooking process. Now that it's done, we're gonna go ahead and open it up, and we're gonna do 8 minutes at 400 degrees for the final touch. In the middle here, we're gonna give it a quick wisp with a little bit of more salt and a little bit more oil as well. That guy is done. Let's give him a quick toss with the tongs. As you can see, they're already getting nice and golden. Hit them with just another quick wisp of spray. A little bit more salt if you like salty fries, nice and light. Now we're gonna turn that on for 8 minutes, 400 degrees, and then they'll be ready to go. So let's turn the air crisper back on there. Air crisp, 400 degrees and for 8 minutes. And start. Now we're gonna let that go. That'll get them the final golden stage, get them nice and crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. We'll use that buffalo dipping sauce and we're gonna be ready to go. All right guys, we're just coming up on the end of our second cycle with the fries. Just to recap, we did 9 minutes at 400 degrees and then we did 8 minutes at 400 degrees with a nice little toss of some more salt and oil right in the middle. And of course we preheated the whole cooker for 5 minutes at 400 degrees, which I think really just kind of locks in that heat and gets this whole process started for us. We're coming up on the end here, just hit the cool, so this thing is done. Let's take a little look and see what we got going on here. Those look good. So let's scoop some onto a plate here so you can see what we're talking about. These guys are nice, crispy, golden, delicious French fries. Of course, like I said before, you can use any kind of French fries you like, from thick potato wedges to some shoestring, straw style French fries as well. But that's the Ore-Ida Crinkle Cuts. I hope those look good to you. They're nice, they're crispy, they're I don't know if you can hear that crisp, but steam coming out, soft in the middle. And of course we made the buffalo dipping sauce to go with it as well, which was just mayonnaise and some Frank's Red Hot wing sauce. But I appreciate y'all checking in and checking out my recipe for French fries. Do me a favor, hit that like button down below and subscribe to At Home with Davey up in the right-hand corner. Good cooking, see you soon. Oh my God, these are good.